Now, we were just talking about right now for the US Dow Jones, I'm seeing more sign of strength and sign of weakness for the Dow Jones. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Now, one of the key points you must know about the bear market, number one, is that in market condition, the price of security keep falling and falling and falling. And that's a lot of pessimism, and this negative is self-sustaining and go into a real cycle, right? Point number two, we have to see a 20% sell-off from the top, not from the middle. So you just look at Dow Jones when the last top that they had this year, I think was around 26K and above, and the 20% sell-off, and at least with 2-month period, then considering we are moving into a bear market yet, but we have not seen so, all right? And third is that the public anticipate losses in the bear market, and the pessimism continue to grow. Are we seeing that now? Take a look at yourself. Look at the local newspaper. Look at tonight Bloomberg, what they saying. That will give you some clue where we are, whether there is a panic within the public or not. Now, at the end, I want to sum up everything in here, the three fundamental and the three technical framework of what we are looking. Right now, we do have an inverted yield curve, so that's true. Number two, we have the global consumer confidence continue to fall, no doubt about it. With the China and the US Sino war and also the Hong Kong protests, we are seeing that. However, commodity prices, are the crude oil prices going higher? No, but we do see stronger US dollar as opposed to falling US dollar. Number three, ugly looking chart, again, only for the Malaysian market and respectively region, but not for the US market yet. Double digit correction, again, not for US, but for the Malaysian market. So US still looking very strong. And lastly, it's also false, which is a failed rally with low volume. There you go. Out of the 6 clues that we have, 3 plus 3 fundamental, 3 technical, only 2 out of 6. Of course, as the situation progresses towards to the end of 2019, some of these may be turned off, some of these may be turned on. So we will have more or less. But do follow me on the YouTube and also on Facebook as I give you more information to navigate through this difficult time together. I'm here to be able to guide you through. Now, as I said before, on the 23rd of August, on the newspaper, when News This Time interviewed me, I said for sure that Bursa are not headed for a crash. Right? We may see a bit of lower, as I explained to some institutional investor out there, but it is not going for a crash. Market correction, yes. Market crash, no. All right. So after today, you're able to differentiate between market correction and recession, and also know what we call the combo fundamental and technical 6 clues, which I've just shared with you, right? And really some simple idea you can start discussing with your colleagues, with your friend, with your family member, how to protect yourself. Most important, get educated. And very important, create a checklist how to avoid market disaster and prepare that for yourself and your family. You know, don't really get into what we see in 2008, the global financial crisis, when people really come to me and ask for, what should I do, Martin? Should I sell all my shares? Should I buy more gold? Please do this checklist for yourself and for your family. And again, there are lots of resources out there. There are free resources, and also use me as a resource for more education. Now, that's all I have for today. Thank you for really watching this video with me, the 2008 global financial crisis. Is it coming or not? I hope you enjoy the slides, the presentation I have, as much as I'm giving out too. I also like to invite you to our very exclusive, profitable and fun community, which is the TradeVSA in here. That's your help desk number. My number is just over there. So make sure you take a picture of this one in here. And anytime you ever need help, just WhatsApp me. I'm happy to help you out there. Also, lastly, don't forget to subscribe down below at the video that you're watching. Subscribe to the TradeVSA YouTube channel, and have a good day and good evening, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.